Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be doing a review on this really cool bike bag. Now this bag does go in the back of your saddle. So what you do is pretty much on either side. Once you do that, you put these through the back of your saddle, clip it back. Then you're going to go ahead and strap this to the back of your seat post to secure it in place. And that's pretty much it. It lays right under your saddle. And it's going to be great for storing any sort of equipment, keys, wallet, whatever it may be. Here, as you can see, PVC free, water resistant, and it's also reflective for those night rides. Now this bag is a 1.5 liter bag, closed. But what I really like about this bag is that you can unzip it and then it converts into a 2-liter bag, which makes this super versatile. Now we also have a reflective strip right at the back, which you can also use to kind of hook a light instead of putting it at the seat post. The bag itself is super nice, and the material itself feels really tough, which does give me confidence that it's going to last for a very long time. And overall, I definitely recommend it. I've already used it a couple of times and it works great. If you're looking for a bag that fits right under your saddle, this is definitely a great option.